In the afternoons, they will give you what is here locally called as kollu, and the English came here and named it as the horse gram. So horse gram soup they will give you in the afternoon. You drink horse gram soup, and horse gram is one among the lentils. It is the most protein-rich lentil found on the planet. It's very high-powered, so that's why race horses are fed with this gram, which is called as horse gram today. Now, this will increase heat in the body.
For my experience of taking this during this training, I would say that I never get sick like fever, cold.
I can better tell what my body needs. Sometimes I feel like eating more raw food. Depending on how much energy I've exerted, I'm able to tell better because I'm eating in this conscious manner. I've definitely never enjoyed eating food this much. It's definitely a different way of eating.